Do you want to preview videos without opening them one by one? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a hidden gallery lab feature that automatically plays video previews while you browse your photos and videos. Let me show you how. First, open the gallery app. Tap the menu button at the bottom. Then tap setting. Scroll to the bottom and tap gallery labs. Next, scroll down to the One UI 2 section. Then enable video preview on the picture list. Now close the gallery app completely, then open it again so the change takes effect. Open the Pictures tab or any album that contains video. As you browse or scroll through the list, compatible videos will automatically play short previews without you needing to open them. This makes it much easier to identify the video you are looking for before tapping it. And that's how to preview videos without opening them in Samsung Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.